Hello everyone. Today we start this question. This question was came in IIT JAM 2025. In this question, the question asked about major products P and Q. Major product P and Q. We saw first reaction. In first reaction, involve LDA at a low temperature, which is a strong base used for deprotonation, and it will deprotonate the alpha carbon next to the carbonyl group to form an enolate ion, which is a very good nucleophile. If we know about LDA, LDA is a very bulky base and its full form is lithium diisopropyl amide. We used LDA for deprotonation. It is a very strong base and it abstract less hindered acidic proton. So we start with this question. In step, this cyclic ketone treated with LDA. LDA. Here we saw attached to carbonyl, two carbons are present here and both carbon have alpha hydrogen. But this LDA only take less hindered proton. Here we saw no branching here or no any substituents present here, only two hydrogen is present. If we saw this carbon atom, in this carbon one substituent attached, it is a 1-methyl group. So compared to this position, this is very sterically hindered position. So LDA take this proton and generate here, generate negative charge, and this is a enolate intermediate. And second step we take, they are giving phenyl bromide, so we take phenyl bromide. Here this negative charge or these electrons attack here and bromine leave this. So our product will be this. So our product P look like this. Now next we move to second reaction. In second reaction they give 5-membered cyclic ketone and first they treated with NaH. We all know NaH, it is a sodium hydride which is a poor nucleophile, but it is a strong base. In first step of this reaction, also enolate intermediate form. Here two hydrogen are present and here one hydrogen is present. It is a strong base, so it take, because it is a strong base, so it will take most acidic hydrogen. If we saw here, here no substituents are present, here one methyl substituent is present. We know when, so this proton is very acidic compared to this proton. So NaH take this hydrogen and form enolate at this carbon atom, and here this hydrogen atom same. So second step, they give phenyl bromide. Here this electron or this negative charge attack here and bromide will leave. So our product will be this. So this is our product Q. So these are the two major products P and Q.